My love, how lucky are we, huh? To visit all these places in South Africa and just look at the mountain. We're surrounded by mountains.
All around.
And not what mountains? This is the Montague Mountains.
Montague, jou lekker plek.
Drink jou muskadel. Yeah, welcome in Montague. We're back in Montague.
I just want to clean your lips. It's very red.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You haven't got stay fast on today, huh?
No.
But your lips is as red as
I'm
your
as red as can be.
Your rokkie, huh?
Ja,
Your rokkie is mooi
like
rooi.
soos 'n arbeid.
Yeah, I think I've greeted you already. Welcome to
Oudemere in Montague.
glamping. Oudemere glamping. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to
You
say
have to put the
that.
glamping in.
Yeah, because this is a very luxury glamping.
Last time it was rough glamping.
Yeah.
Today it's luxury
Top
glamping.
notch.
It's luxury glamping, people. You must see this
Yes.
place.
Wow.
I just had a peek because we just oops, I turned my back to you. I just lit the hot tub. So that thing is going.
Yeah.
So let's go and show them the place. But let me
Yeah.
show you from this side. Look at that. That is our accommodation for the weekend. And I mean, just look at where we are. We are surrounded
There's
by
nothing
mountains.
around us.
There's nothing around. I think the closest person around us is like
Is in town.
5 kilometers. Yeah, this is crazy, but it's
Yeah.
so nice. This is what we live for. This is what we like.
Yeah, and you won't believe the price. A very, very affordable price.
Very affordable, yeah. But we'll get to the price later.
Two people sleeps in this glamping tent.
Go, let's go and show them.
Yeah.
Mama, but I love how they made this entrance, with all
Yeah.
the stones. It's just so
Yeah,
nice.
this is quite a new place. It only opened on the 29th of December.
So this place is what is it now?
3 months
it's end of
old.
March now, so it's 3 months old now.
3 months old.
Wow.
Yeah,
Jeez, we're lucky, huh?
very lucky.
So lucky. Yeah, we just want to say thank you to Jan Hendrik and Chrissy for inviting us to your favorite place on earth. She just came to say hi here, and she said they built this in memory of her father.
Yes,
So that's so special.
very special.
And for them to invite us to come and stay here, oh, great, huh? I love it. Ooh, lekker.
Wat 'n lekker kuierstoep.
Huh? Just look
Kyk
at this.
net hier.
Wow, lekker sun loungers.
Sun
Look at that.
loungers.
Wow, Mama.
Hot tub.
On the deck, the hot tub on the deck.
Yeah.
Yes, that's going to be nice.
And there's your braai
Oh.
for tonight. You do
Oh.
a briquette braai, but they're
Yeah.
still planning to build a braai.
Yeah,
because
they're gonna build a lapa over there
Yes.
somewhere there at the lower level there.
boma
but
or
for,
something.
Yeah, boma. But for now, we must use this. What do they call it? Kichelbraai. It's a
Oh, maar
Weber.
jy's So perfect Afrikaans. My genade, mense is Swedish Afrikaans gebore.
I think they call it a kichelbraai. I don't know, but anyway.
But anyway, can we go inside?
We can go
now?
in. We can go in.
Okay.
And I hear a motor running, so there's definitely an aircon running somewhere.
I hope so.
Huh?
Yeah, because it's a luxury glamping tent.
And it's hot. It's hot today. It's
Montague
30,
is always
it's
hot
30
in
degrees
summer.
today.
Yeah,
So let's go in.
let's see.
Ooh, this is so
Oh,
freaking nice.
Jeez, it's like a house inside.
Jeez, it's big, huh? Wow.
Yeah, I spot the aircon.
Oh, there's the aircon.
And
You
it's
can-
already
you can
on. It's
feel
nice and cool
nice and
inside.
cool in here, yeah.
Yes.
Jeez.
But look at all the space.
Yo, this
Wow.
is a big tent, huh?
Yes, usually you feel cramped in and you want
Yeah.
to sit on the stoop. This one, it's so nice.
It's so nice and big, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah.
Spacious. Mama, this is a nice bed, a high bed,
nice
huh?
bed.
Oh, you're getting onto the bed
my
very
word.
deliciously.
It's so nice and soft.
Huh? You don't jump anymore.
I'm a grandma man.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah.
But one of these days you're going to jump on the beds with your grandkids.
Yes, I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that. Okay, so a nice full-on,
Long mirror.
yeah, to check you out if you're ready for the day.
Mama,
Yeah.
you're always ready.
Hey, nice bed lamps.
Oh yeah,
Very nice.
reading lamps.
You can
Oh,
put
that's
your
nice. That is,
phone
I like that.
in charge.
Yeah, PowerPoints on next
the
to the bed.
bed.
That's
Yeah,
very
very
nice.
nice.
I like that.
Okay.
There's no Wi-Fi yet, she said, but
Yes.
they're working on it.
Yes.
Yeah, but there's reception. Your phone's got reception. Yeah.
And this is a very nice stylish kitchen. Let's see what's. Oh, we've got some nice.
Oh, Montague.
And I wondered which bottle of wine it's going to be. It's Montague.
Winery. Chenin Blanc, it's our favorite.
Chenin
Lekker.
Blanc. They've got a nice Nespresso coffee machine here.
With pots.
With pots.
And this is a filter. I think you can grind your own coffee as a grindertjie. Yeah.
Geez, that's smart. Some nice cookies.
Hazelnuts.
Okay, and they ask you to
Did you
please
see that?
wash the dishes. If you don't want to, you can leave them 50 rand and they'll do it.
So-
but that is a small thing to do.
So what are you going to wash dishes this
I'm not
weekend?
going to wash dishes. this
Oh, you're so
Yeah.
used to the dishwashers these days.
Oh, but not at my house because we bijna nooit daar nie.
Yeah, your dishwasher at home is just a white elephant.
Ja, ja.
You never use it. But
No.
anyway, you like
Anyways,
washing dishes.
This is where you can put your trash.
Okay.
Get in.
Oh, hey, Mama, stop it. You're starting early this weekend, huh?
Oh no, making trouble. Okay, and then you've got your nice cutlery.
Knives and forks
Yeah,
and
there's
everything.
the
There's a
braai thing
tang.
and the braai starter.
Although I brought my own Yigusa lang tang.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
And what is in here? Oh, there's some glasses
Glasses.
and koppies.
Yeah, coffee
En nog 'n
That is the biggest glass, so they haven't got brandy glasses. Oh, but I'm not worried because I brought our tumblers.
Camping glasses.
Yeah, I brought our camping tumblers.
There's another filter coffee
Oh,
thing.
that's for filter coffee,
If
yeah.
you want to make filter coffee, there's
Braaibak, I don't see a
serviettes.
braaibak.
Wait.
Huh?
Wait. What is in here? Let's see.
Ha, braaibak. Lekker man.
Ja.
That's a white one. Like everything is so new, huh?
Everything is very new. Oh,
What's
yeah.
in there? Oh, there's some
And
more.
there's some
the
more.
wine glasses.
Yes.
Okay.
And then down here, they give you some
Oh, there's pots
spices,
and
pots and pans, and a grater.
Okay.
Toothpicks.
Nice, Mama. Look at this. This is a Snappy Chef hood.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's your specialty.
on a induction stove.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Cutting boards and
Cutting boards.
if you want to have like champagne, which I have.
Ice. Yeah.
Ice, baby. Champagne.
We've got nothing to celebrate, but we can do the champagne thing.
We've got nothing to celebrate.
This weekend we're gonna celebrate life.
I just wanted
Huh?
to say.
Life.
We must celebrate
Life
something.
every day.
Yeah.
Microwave, fridge, freezer.
Fridge, freezer. So there's some ice
they
that
left
you
us some
left us,
ice.
some nice,
Okay, nice.
ice.
Cool.
And a nice full.
That's a big size.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
fit in a
you
lot
can
of
put a lot
stuff
in there, yeah. Okay, then there's
Okay.
two chairs.
That is your
for the-
sitting area.
For the people that like to sit and read books.
Yeah, you can just sit
But
and
that's not
play
me.
XOXO as well.
Oh yeah, but that's not me.
Yeah, and a nice reading lamp.
And if I have to sit, I'm gonna sit outside,
Yes, watching the mountains.
watching
I
the
know.
mountains. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm an outside freak.
And this is your cupboard.
Okay. They look very soft. Mama,
Yes,
are they
feel it.
soft?
Feel it.
Oh
It's like a baba's
my
boutjies.
word. Huh?
A baba's a boutjie.
This is like, what is this?
Very nice.
This is like velvet.
Yeah.
Jeez, this is so cool. Wow, that's
so
soft.
Nice. Yes.
Okay, but it's a bit hot for gowns
It's
these
a bit
days.
hot, but so if you go outside and
we
you're
can-
afraid of
we
the
can-
sun,
we
you
can
put
go
on
and
your
take
hat.
a walk. We can go and take a hike with
Yes.
your hat.
Yes.
Okay, so it's
Okay.
an open cupboard.
It's an open cupboard, and then the best of all is this bathroom.
It's not the best, but it's very good.
It's very, very, very good. I love it.
Very
Just
nice.
look at this view.
Very nice bath, Mama.
A
You're
nice
gonna love this bath
Oh,
tomorrow. Huh?
this freestanding bath,
You're
just
gonna
do
love
it for me.
I know.
Yeah, and there's your towels.
Sure, it's a nice bath, yeah.
There's the basin area.
Okay.
There's
Nice
some more
mirror again.
towels. The towels for the hot tub is down there, the zebra
Okay.
ones.
Cool. And there's
Hand wash and all those
all the amenities, yeah. The
And the
potty,
potty.
closed potty, and now the
Closed
best.
potty.
Now the best.
I know,
can-
this is the best for you.
You can see there's no shower here. Nothing.
Yeah.
In this bathroom, there's no shower.
Because why?
There's only an outdoor shower.
Ja,
And look at this. This is my favorite.
Oeh,
Mama.
dan staan jy hier.
Yes.
En dan kyk jy nou net
And
hier
look at
uit.
this. I'm fitting here. It's fit for me. It's fit for,
Fit for a king.
Wow, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot.
Just do this.
I love. We're gonna hang here.
Wow.
How amazing will it be if you're in the shower
Yeah.
and there's like a little klipspringertjie or a bokkie or something walking
Of the
past.
leopard, what did
Or
she
she
say?
said there's 2 leopards here.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow morning me
They
and the
can drink
leopard.
some water.
Maybe me and the leopard can have a shower together.
Oh,
Why
yeah,
not?
no,
Huh?
take his spots.
Yeah, why not? I'm going to wash off his spots. Yeah, no, this is going to be lekker. Huh?
Yeah.
We're going to enjoy this.
Yeah.
Very, very, very nice. Very cool.
Look, where's the taps?
I love the way.
The taps is in here.
Oh yeah, I love the way they designed this and built this. It's everything is just so good built. Huh? It's a good build.
Easy
yeah.
to use and
Good quality.
very nice.
Okay, Mama, I'm thirsty. In this heat, I get thirsty
lekker koelie
very,
bijna.
very quickly. Yeah, it's nice and cool in here. Yeah. We can just hang here if you want.
No.
Huh?
I want to get outside in the hot tub.
You wanna have honeymoon here? You wanna just hang here?
But then you'll have to stop filming and I know you're not ready for that.
Let's go and unpack.
Yep.
And then we start the party.
Okay. Oupa en ouma sit op die stoep. Op oude muur glamping se stoep.
Ja, lekker stoep.
En oupa gooi vir ons 'n stywe dop.
Opa, moet dit nog hoor. People, we've got 2 shout-outs to do. We're very excited. We always love the shout-outs. Thank you very much to all of you guys that do participate in this. We love it. We just love it. But before I get to that, Mama, did you also enjoy this road? Huh?
Yeah, very much.
I just feel whenever you go through Robertson and Ashton and Montague, you're always on your way to something nice.
Yeah.
Like a vacation or a long weekend or
Yeah, or a nice festival or something.
Yeah, I just love those towns.
Yeah,
Just to go through
a
those
wine
towns.
festival.
A wine. You feel like a wine festival
I feel
again.
like wine
oh
tasting.
My goodness. Oh my goodness. We can organize that.
Yeah. We've got a lot of wine, brought a lot of wines to taste.
We brought a lot of wine, yeah. But we're gonna lose our English again tonight, so with the wine.
Okay, then we just taste it all the way.
Mama, before we go there, let's find out if this
It's
bad
a
boy is
crackling
gonna
good
crack.
one.
Huh? If this bad
a
boy is gonna crack.
Crackling good
And
wine.
then we'll tell you who gave us this shout out. Yeah, it's not good, but they never good anymore. As I, Mama, gooi ons 'n lekker skiertjie. Ooh, the nice thing about these glasses,
You don't know.
you don't know until
It's
you put
always a surprise.
until you put it in your mouth. You don't know.
Oh man. As die naweek eers so begin.
Oh, and you've got a choice.
Yeah, that one please.
This is the no sugar or the sugar.
We start with the
No sugar. Yeah, let's start with the no sugar.
Okay, you made the choice. I'm on no diet this
Oh.
weekend.
Just smell it. Just smell it. Oh, huh? Energy, puppy. Energy drinks. I know it's not good for you, but we love it.
Okay, that's enough for me.
No, this is a big glass. You're a big girl now. You're Oma. Yeah, let's just put the whole thing in.
Oh my
You're a big girl now. Huh?
gracious, good gracious.
You the Oma now. Mama, this shout out goes to the Horsepower Hub in Somerset West.
Yeah, 69 Victoria Street, Somerset West is where you'll find them.
Yeah, they buy and sell all premium second-hand cars, and if they haven't got it on the floor, they will get it for you.
Yeah.
That's their motto. They will
Yes.
get it for you.
So, if you want to raise your motor, go to Horsepower Hub.
Mama, jy nee. And thank you to Philip and Quinn, his son, skippers of the Horsepower Hub for this lekker shout out. We're gonna enjoy it. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. May your business go from strength to strength.
Cheers on that.
Yeah, I hope you sell millions of cars in this year.
Premium cars.
Premium cars. Cheers. Mama, gooi hom.
Mama's doors. No, don't down it. Are you getting ready for the second shout out?
Oh, yes. My goodness, look at that.
Oh my word.
Huh?
Fill it up, fill
This
it
is gonna
up.
be a big night again. I can just feel it coming.
My word.
This is what horsepower do to
Do
you.
you?
You just gooi it, puppy. Huh?
Liewe land.
All the horses must run. They're running now. Oh, it was nice. Lekker. See yours? Oh my word. I've got like 2 sips left.
You're gonna shake, rattle and roll this whole evening.
Yeah, and I just want to say, to get to this place, It's very easy. You can get here with any car. It's a very nice gravel road, nice through the vineyards that you go. And then you get to the farmhouse where you check in, and then they bring you to the glamping tent. It's a little bit, not bumpy, but it can be bumpy because sometimes, like last night, there was rain.
Yes.
So then they get like ground erosion from the water. But they will normally patch that up. But yeah, you can get here with any car. That's actually all I want to say.
Yeah, and this place is all on its own.
It's amazing.
Nothing near
It's
you.
amazing. You can make a hell of a noise here.
Yeah.
And not even the baboons are going to hear you.
Yeah, there's no Wi-Fi as he said before, but you've got same. So
Signal.
Signal.
But they're
daai
working
een.
on the Wi-Fi. I
Yes.
think within a couple of months they're
signal
going
is
to have
good
it.
enough.
They're very new. They're brand
Yeah.
new. So yeah, everything doesn't come at once.
Yeah.
It takes time to get everything.
Yeah, and it's a lot
But-
of money to put up a place like this
Yeah.
in the middle of nowhere, to have power,
Yeah.
to have water.
Yeah. It's not easy.
It's not
But I must
easy.
say they've done a stunning job. I love it.
Yes.
I just love it here. This is the closest to nature I can get.
I know,
Huh?
I know.
Woo! I'm in my element. I say, Mama, the next one. Huh?
On to the next.
I'm thirsty again.
Oh my word.
Well, there's been a half an hour that has passed now.
'n Pauze gevat.
A pause. Okay, let's listen to the next one. Huh?
Okay.
But before I open this, you tell us who gave this to us.
What a surprise.
Huh?
When we got to our shop, Hectic Biltong,
Randomly.
Diane and Alwyn Visser from Pretoria,
Pretoria
all
nogals,
the
hè?
way from Pretoria, left us this special gift.
Wow, that was quite cool.
Yes, so dankie julle.
They bought a lot of biltong.
Yes.
They actually wanted to meet us, but we weren't there. So
Sorry.
Sorry. Next time, just before you go to our shop and you want to meet us, just give us a WhatsApp beforehand, and we can organize that we meet you there. That'll be very nice. But yeah, thank you, Diane
And Alwyn.
Alwyn, yes, from Pretoria. This is going to be nice. Thank you very much. Listen to it.
Ja, ja.
Oh, better, much better, huh? Much better, Mama.
Amper sê ek Pretoria se brandewyn klik.
I'm sure they didn't
I'm not sure.
drive this down from Pretoria. I think they just bought it there. Next to our shop is not next to our shop, but in the same center is a bottle store. I'm sure they got it there.
'n mansapteek.
The man's uptake, yeah. Mama, I want more. I always want more. Woo,
Give me
puppy.
more, give me more.
We're gonna have to finish both these bottles. You know that.
I know that.
Huh?
Yeah.
We can't accept shout-outs and don't drink it.
No, you
We're
can't
gonna
do
have
that.
to drink it.
Yeah. Luckily, we still have a long weekend ahead. Okay, thanks.
You don't want as much, huh? I'm gonna just sort of foil it.
I'm looking out for my heart.
Your oh, sorry. Your heart. There's nothing wrong with your heart.
Hoe mors jy? Nou 'n mors.
Listen, Mama. Cheers. Thank you guys for all your support and your love. We see it and we love it. And thank you for everybody that come to our shop to support us, to support Hectic Biltong. My daughter tells me every day.
Yeah, we get all the messages.
We get all the messages that this one was there, that one was there. These people were looking for you. So I mean, it's crazy how you guys
Support us.
That is just amazing.
And we love you too.
Yeah, we love you a lot. And I want to say a special thanks to everybody that came to say hi at the CakeNet Buitelig Expo.
Wow,
My
that was crazy.
word, we were overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Overwhelmed. I'm telling you, there was
We didn't.
there was 20,000 people at that show. I
Yeah.
think 1,000 of you guys came to say hi.
I thought it was much more
More.
because every second sale was somebody saying,
was-
"Waar steek julle die monster weg?
Ja.
Het julle brandewyn
That
daar?"
was so nice. We really love it when you guys come and say hi.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it's so nice to meet everybody behind the camera.
Yeah, and we're
on that
always
side.
flabbergasted to see how many people
Watch the videos, yeah. We
Yeah.
just see the amounts like 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000 views, but we never get to meet you guys. So
Yeah.
that was so special.
Yeah.
Cheers on that.
Keep on doing it.
Yeah, we love it. So yeah, Diane and Alwyn Visser, thank you for this great present. We're gonna enjoy him now. Cheers.
Yes.
Good luck
Hope
there
to meet you one day.
Yeah, and good luck there in Pretoria. Cheers.
He put
another one.
a sittertjie in here.
This one is also a sittertjie.
Luckily,
Huh?
I'm already sitting.
You feel you
Yeah.
can taste it, huh?
I feel it like out to the feet.
Out to the feet. Drink it down, it goes down to the red nails. Yes, but this water is becoming
Nice.
nice, huh? It's
Yeah.
almost there. It's almost there.
Yeah, it mustn't be too hot.
No, this is almost like I mean it's hot today,
Yeah.
so we don't want it too hot.
No, we can get in.
I think we can get in.
Ah.
It's actually very nice now.
Yes.
But we can't get in with our clothes. So did you bring my costume this time?
No.
Last weekend we went with the kids to a very special place. We've been there before. We showed you that Stables guest house
Yeah.
in Eisterfontein. We went with the kids, and she forgot my swimming
So he had
costume.
to go in his auntie.
So the whole weekend I was in my auntie.
Luckily, it's just the children.
Yeah, luckily it's just a job. But I was just worried about the daughter-in-law. She's never seen me and my auntie.
Oh, so she did now. So now she used to it as
Marley,
well.
ek hoop dit was nie te erg nie, hoor. Okay, while Lizanne is making a platter, let me just show you something. Chrissy said this afternoon when we got here, she said something about 3 hearts in the mountain, and I couldn't see it. And I'm just standing outside here now and I see it. There's 1 heart, there's the 2nd heart, and there's the 3rd heart. Look at that. That is so special, especially for her father, the memory of her father. I mean, this is so special to have 3 hearts at the spot where she built this in memory of her father. This is very cool. This is what we're here for. The hot tub, baby.
Yeah, the hot tub.
Oh, we just love the hot
It's our favorite. And did you see? We are surrounded by BC wine.
Yeah, that's your fault. That's your fault.
It's no fault. It's no fault.
You just make it so interesting, huh?
No, it's very nice.
I see we've got from a big bottle to a small bottle.
To all the bottles.
And the champagne.
I'm waiting for it.
I'm gonna
I'm
pop the
waiting for
champagne
it.
right now. Woo, lekker, huh?
I'll put this in some ice.
Yeah, put some. No, let me first pour it and then we put ice in. Otherwise, it's gonna skeim.
Skeim.
Yeah, it's gonna skeim all over.
Koppie.
Skeim koppie. Mama, we said this one, the BC Champagne Vonkelwyn, is to celebrate life.
Ja,
Huh?
dit bring 'n vonkel op jou oog.
Oh! Toner. Sorry, my Engels. That was like 50 meters. I'll go and show you tomorrow.
Nearly hit the heart.
Jeez, that was crazy. I've never had one like that.
Now this is gas.
Gassy, huh?
This
That
is
thing went to that donga over there.
my word.
Jeez. But anyway, luckily it wasn't into your face.
Jeez.
Imagine that. Huh? Mama, look at that. Ooh, kyk hy skuimpie.
Dis mos nou hoe champagne moet lyk.
Dis 'n skuimkoppie man.
Oh, lekker.
BC wines,
Dis
huh?
hoe champagne lyk.
Jeez, they can make champagne.
Remember, it's all on our website.
Mama, everything is on our website. And we're
Yeah.
fully stocked again. I know, I'm
Fully
sorry,
stocked.
we were out of stock for a while, but we're fully stocked again. Everything is fully
Skelm
stocked.
weesie.
But you still want a bit of ice.
Ja, net
I'm
'n
gonna just
little bit.
Put it in there.
Ooh,
And a
Twinkly.
little bit of ice. Ooh, you see, I
Nee,
knew.
dan mors jy
Yeah,
net
but
die helfte
I knew
uit.
that was gonna happen.
Not with me, you're gonna
It's
put
gonna
it in
happen.
like
No,
slightly
it
to the
doesn't.
bend.
It doesn't matter. It's the
It's
ice. You see. It's the ice. Mama, but the champagne is nearly cold. But anyway,
You're sitting here in the opening
Yeah.
with just nature around you, right?
it's amazing. I love it. That is what we want to celebrate tonight. Is life.
Life.
Huh? Nature, life, loving each other,
Yes.
and doing everything together.
Together. Yeah. And
Mama, that was what the owner of this glamping tent this afternoon, did you hear what she said? You guys are so lucky because you do it together.
yeah.
Oh, Mama,
Okay,
I
now-
love you for that.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
And can we spread the love a bit
how do you want to do
and
that?
give away this nice big magnum of wine?
Yeah, but can we first take a sip?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mm. Moeder's milk.
My favorite.
Moeder's milk. I just want to take another sip. Mm. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. This isn't hot. No, it's not hot. Okay. We're gonna give away
Spread
that thing.
the love.
Yeah, spread the love. This bottle of BC Wine Magnum. Yes, it's heavy, huh?
2 hands.
Look at this. It's massive. I don't know how you're gonna drink all of this.
9:30.
9:30.
Jy begin die oggend 9:30. 9:30 in die aand sy leeg.
Anyway, this was the first bottle that we gave away. So, unfortunately, the lady that won this, I've sent her 3 messages and she never came back to me. So I've got no details of her.
So sorry.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm not going to mention your name again, but I'm so sorry about that. I've sent you 3 messages. I've sent you my number to give me a WhatsApp or just to give me your address. I couldn't get anything from her, so we couldn't send it to her. So it's back into
On
the
the
draw.
shelf.
It's back into the draw again. Yeah.
3 of them, and this is the first one.
This was the first one. The second one is given away. This is the first
But
one.
just look at all that stickers.
Ag mama nooit, hè?
Ja,
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stickers.
7 stickers. This is a bottle you must have.
1,300 rand.
Yes.
Going once, going twice. You just won it.
Yeah, you just won it. All you have to do is please tell us which glamping or containers or
It
which
doesn't have to be a glamping spot.
no, which
Accommodation.
accommodation we visited. You saw it and you visited as well.
Yeah.
Send us which places you visited.
In the
And-
in the comments down below this video in YouTube, or you can do it on our Facebook page. It doesn't matter. Just give us a comment to
Where
say
you've been
where
visiting.
you've been that we also have been, and you
And-
saw it from us.
Yeah, and also what is on your wish list?
Where you still want to go.
Where you want
Yeah.
to go.
It's a lot of we visited.
Where we visited. Yes.
You see, that's difficult to say.
Where we visited.
Waar ons al was, man.
Ja, daai een.
Daai een, hè? And you
Yeah.
might just win. So what we're going to do is, everybody that comments, we're going to put all those names in a draw,
Yes.
and we're going to draw a winner.
Yeah.
That's
and
easy.
if you like, put your phone number next to it and then we will
we can easily contact you, yeah,
Yeah.
because I just saw now with no phone number, it's just difficult.
And if you're not on Facebook, it's also difficult.
Yeah, you
So
can't get hold
put
of
your
the people.
number.
So put your. That's a good idea, Mama. You're thinking right through those
Yeah.
freaking
Bubbles.
bubbles. Yeah, give us a comment. What places you visited that we've been to,
Or you want to
and
visit?
at the back you put your cell phone number.
Yes.
If you want to, if you don't want to, you must just check your comments every now and then, because I will reply on that.
Yes.
Some people don't want to give their numbers
Yeah,
out.
if you're not shy.
Yeah,
If you're
but
not.
anyway, you can win this.
Yeah.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck. So another thing, if you want to visit all these places, do yourself a favor, contact them directly. It's a cheaper,
It's cheaper,
price
yeah.
than when you go through booking.com or whatever
But don't let them
place.
hear you.
Hush, hush.
Hush, hush, don't
Hush,
tell
hush.
anybody.
And then mention to the people, please, you saw it on Doing It Together. That will help us a lot. So
Oh.
that the people see it's worth getting us to promote the places.
So talking about that, you can phone this number up here or WhatsApp this lady, Chrissy.
Yes.
WhatsApp her on this number if you want to come and stay here.
Yeah.
It is amazing.
Don't miss out.
Yeah, don't miss out and don't go through all these other platforms
Yeah.
because they add money, and it's just go
Yeah.
through Chrissy and phone her or WhatsApp her
Yeah.
and you will get it for
And at the
cheap
moment,
price.
it's 1,900 Rand a night.
But it's
At
now,
the
so I don't know
moment.
when these people watch the videos. I don't like to mention
Yeah, prices.
But at the moment it's 1,900, but you might watch this video in a year's time and then it's more.
It's going to be a bit more.
Yeah, but
so
anyway,
hurry up.
Book. Book now.
Yep.
Cheers, Mama, on that as well. Hey, life is good. Mama, life is good. I want to just wet you tonight. I don't know why.
Wet me all
I just
over.
want to wet you. You look so stunning in this light and the backdrop of all these
Ooh.
mountains. Ach, Mama.
And my lantern is coming
And the
alive.
lantern is coming alive. Woo! This is lekker.
Now you must have a bit of my platter, please.
I haven't even said anything about the platter.
You don't have to, just eat it. Eat it.
Thank you very much for this amazing platter. Just look at this. This woman There's just no limit to her creativity. Huh? Look at this. I don't know where you get all the ideas, Mama, but this is amazing.
I'm not sure either.
You've got all the health food here. You've got the not so healthy. Oh, I can just see the fat. Look at this. Babalas mix from hectic biltong. Look at this fat. I'm gonna put this in my mouth immediately.
Give me one as well.
Oh my word, yellow fat puppy.
Feed me, feed me.
You want that one?
No.
Or oh, you want the yellow
Some
fat? There's a
blokkie.
There's a lekker blokkie. People, this stuff is amazing. It's got a slight chili on it. She doesn't like chili.
But this is just enough.
This is just, it just tingles you. Oh, this is, whenever you go through the Strand, go and visit Hectic Biltong. I'm telling you, you can just Google us. We are in Google.
Yeah.
And go and buy some Babalas mix or our yellow fat biltong. It will drive you crazy. This is, and look at this. There's cabanossi in as well.
Share a bit.
I will share. Mama, ek eet my tande stomp. Ek eet my tande stomp. Thank you, my love. You're an amazing woman, you. I really wish and hope and pray that I can still do this with you for the next at least 20 years.
Yeah, sure.
We might stop making videos, but I still want to go to these places with you.
Yeah, but we're not going to stop soon.
You never know what's going to happen.
No.
I might break a camera and then we can't film anymore. So that might happen.
Don't just break a leg.
But you know what?
Break a camera.
You know what? What we will do then? We will just tell you about it. Whenever we see you in the streets, we will tell you about where we were. We're not going to show you.
That's not the same.
Mama, it's not the same. It's not the same because I felt the love at the Buitelug, kyk net Buitelug Expo.
Oh yeah, that's amazing.
I felt the love of everybody.
Strangers.
So I
Just
want to.
coming to greet you.
Yes,
That's
it's
so
crazy.
nice.
I want to say something. I would have stopped a long time ago with these videos because it's a lot of work. You don't understand. It's a lot of work, and it's a lot of commitment to put out a video every 14 days. It's a lot of commitment because we've got a life as well. But the love that we receive back from you guys, it's just,
So nice.
yeah, we have to keep on. It's just so amazing. We just feel like after that weekend, we felt like we were floating on clouds.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
So please keep on inviting us to all these amazing places.
And keep on watching, please.
Yeah.
And subscribe. And
That's
like.
the important thing.
And share.
Remember to subscribe.
And share, yeah. Listen to that bass.
Yes, so.
Huh? Mama, I want some more champagne, please.
Will you sweet in it?
Yeah, but I want some more champagne.
Okay, take it.
Okay, can I take this one? I don't like to drink out of a quarter glass.
I am blinded
By
with
all this-
this golden
With all the
stickers.
stickers.
This golden stickers is lekker.
It just shows you it's good quality wine for a good price.
Yeah.
Did we mention it's on our website? Doingittogether.co.za.
Yeah.
Oh, mama.
Buy the wines by the crates.
The crates, papi, the crates. Asai, lekker, cheers. This is going to be a lekker evening.
Oh, ek kan dit voel
Ek voel
aankom.
het ook, ek voel het ook.
What the hell?
I'm all wrinkled up.
That's nothing.
The champagne is long gone. We're on our second brandy already.
Yeah, now you
The platter has seen his ass.
in here,
What?
you're like 25 tonight.
I'm always 25, my love. But anyway, I was still going to prepare the food.
Oh, you still want to eat?
I want to, yeah, I left a small little gap in my tummy.
Just a small bit.
Yeah, but we're gonna make something special, but we're just gonna make one.
One.
Just one.
But 3 salads, what the hell?
Yeah, but salad doesn't count. It doesn't count. But we're just gonna make one, huh?
One.
Because we had a lot of snacks now.
What is that? The special recipe for the chicken Hawaiian what?
I'm gonna do a chicken.
Hawaiian surprise.
I'm gonna do a Hawaiian chicken with bacon. Surprise. You can call it a surprise packet. You know what the surprise is.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's gonna be amazing. It's one of my favorites. I like them. But moi only brought two. I'm gonna be honest now. I can't lie. I'm gonna be honest. I only brought 2 chicken fillets with.
Ja.
I was supposed to bring 4.
So ons gaan vir hulle plat kap. Laat dit baie meer.
I was supposed to bring 4, and it slipped my mind this morning. I don't know.
We're gonna make it work.
So I only brought 2.
We make everything work.
But it's
So,
gonna be nice, Mama. There's enough other food, and we just had a freaking nice platter. So, and if we're not full yet,
We've
we
got-
just drink more brandy.
Ons het klaar die groente in. Nou gaan ons die proteïene doen en dan het ek nog pudding op.
Ooh, is jy nie die pudding nie?
Okay, ons skip die pudding. Ons skip die pudding.
I think when they build their boma, it'll be amazing. How's that? Oh, just at least they gave us some briquettes that we can use. I don't know how many of this stuff you put in. I'm quite stupid with this. Mama, how many of these briquettes do I put in?
What?
Huh? You know. Maybe we must ask the Gautengers.
Ja.
How many briquettes do you use for a braai?
Ja.
Half a bag? A full bag? I don't know.
Just remember you've got
Huh?
2 fillets.
I've got only, I've
And
got
balls.
sausage as well, yeah. I've got
And
sausage as well,
balls.
yeah.
Ja.
But I don't know how many. I don't know. I don't understand this. But yeah,
Ja, I heard you from inside bragging about your braailighters in your tang.
my hier is a long tongue. At least I brought it so I can lekker krap in this
Ja, een vir een sit jy op.
in this fire with.
Build a
Did you see it?
tower.
I'm building a tower. I'm building
ja,
a tower.
I see that.
Mama, I'm not a Wali.
No, you are perfectionist.
I'm not a Gautenger, so I don't understand this. I braai with wood. But you know what?
But you are
I'm like a verkleermannetjie. I'm like a
all-rounder,
chameleon.
ja. You can do both.
I adapt.
Yeah,
Huh?
you do.
Adapt.
Just don't smother the fire.
I don't like the smell of this.
You must just blaas 'n bietjie.
I don't like. Look at this. At
Blaas
least
'n
it's.
bietjie.
Look at it. No, it's. Hey, we've got braai ladders underneath.
Ow.
You can't kill that thing.
Oh.
That thing will burn forever. Listen, at least the smoke is going up straight. There's no wind here. It's a
wind, yeah.
beautiful evening. Finally, I'm here. I'm making the food. Finally. So what you do is you take 2 fillets, chicken fillets. You just cut them in half.
Did the chef start without the sous chef?
I'm sorry.
I can't believe it.
Mama, you were taking too long in there. What did you do? Oh, look at that. That's perfect.
I was waiting for my favorite music.
Oh, look at this. My love, take a seat. Take a seat.
For a master performance.
Yeah, I want you to sit there.
Just
Cheers. What is this?
mother's milk.
Mother's milk. I love you for it. I think I must also get a seat. Give me this one.
No, you take that one.
Okay, I will take that one. Okay. So the next one. Oh, Mama, let's just down this. This is so freaking nice. What is this?
Mother's milk.
Cocorico. Cocorico. I can taste it. I can taste it. It tastes like Thailand, Papa. It tastes like Thailand. Woo! Now the party is on. So then you just cut the other one as well.
No fingers, please.
Yeah, no fingers, please. We don't want to rush to hospital. Now, Zay, like so.
Oh, that's flaming hot.
That's
That,
it. That's
um,
it.
knife.
That knife is lekker sharp, yeah. So we haven't got a. You actually need a little
American.
hamertjie, but we don't have a hamertjie, so we just
Improvise.
gooi it with a pierentjie. Look at that. Look at that.
Slaat hom maar dit saak maak.
Mama, your father taught me this.
I know.
He taught me to hit everything with a what do you call
passion.
with the saucer? What do you call it?
Yeah.
A small saucer. Oh, look at that. Hey, you
Freaking mot.
You know, that's not a moth. That's I think that was a
Korankreek.
no, that was a firefly.
Oh shit, you're not supposed to hurt them.
I didn't hurt them. I just chuck it that
Chuck
way.
it that way.
Okay, Mama, I think that's it. I'm not going to turn them around. No, it's not necessary. So now what I want from you is some bacon. What I want from you, so I'm just going to take it myself because but
I'm useless now.
you're useless now, huh?
I'm just watching.
I think the champagne is in your head
Yeah,
now.
yeah, all that bubbles.
So now you just gooi this bacon like that
In strips.
in strips. I've made this many a time. I think that's enough. And then you gooi this on there like that. Let's do it like that. That's it. Now we're gonna take some jalapeno sticky sauce
On the website.
on the website. You know me by now. On the website. And you just pour it over like that.
great.
Jy kan dit maar ruim gooi. You just
great.
like that.
Dis
Yeah,
baie
that's it.
sticky
That's it.
nou.
No, that's just that's magic. That is magic.
And chicken spice first.
Yes. I'm gonna do that now. I'm just gonna rub this in there.
And you must do it with your fingers, otherwise it's not
It's
gonna
not
work.
the same. Then some lekker chicken spice. Ooh, papi. The chicken
Het kom, het kom.
Oh, kom het. Ek kan
Baie.
There's so many lights here. I can't see it.
Dis baie.
If you can't see it, you can't
Okay,
taste
ja, ek sien
If
het.
you can't see it, you can't taste it.
Ja, maar
Mama.
you blind.
Aromat. No, I don't want aromat. I want this. Braai salt, marina, papi.
Okay, it's coming, it's a lot.
And I'm gonna put some on that one as well.
Okay,
Okay. And then lemon pepper. Oh yes. The lemon, papi, the lemon. Ooh, and on that one as well.
Chicken spices. You
Oh.
must put in that one.
Yeah, I didn't put any chicken. You're right. Sorry, I skipped that one.
Ja.
Hey, I'm in my element. Huh? I just want to make food and just be happy. I'm just gonna take this all off the table. Otherwise, I'm gonna just mess now. Okay, so then you take the
Pineapple with die gaatjie in die middel.
pineapple with a hole in the middle.
Oh shit, and then you break
Don't
it.
worry.
Then you break
And
it.
you break it and you just slap it on like
You
that.
place it very strategically. Yeah, that
No,
one.
I can't say that.
Strategically.
And I'm gonna do another one.
Oh, jeez.
Like there.
Okay.
That's it.
That's
Look at that.
packing
huh?
him full.
And now, you know, if this was only for me, you know that, I would put some, we've got the nicest chili bite spice.
Yeah,
I will
but
put
now,
some chili bite spice on there. But
now
she
he's
doesn't-
married to a boring
she doesn't.
person.
But it's my fault because I was supposed to bring 4 fillets and I only brought 2. So now I must eat with you.
Take the punch.
At least you allowed me to put this
yes,
sticky sauce on.
I already brought my half.
Yeah, so now, we're not going to put any spice on here now. Let's put a bit of aromat on.
Oh, please, for me.
Yeah, you like the
Not
aromat.
on the pineapple.
Yeah, you like the
Oh,
aromat.
jeez.
That was supposed to be chili spice, but anyway, now we're going to put this one with a spice in the middle.
I don't know how you're going to wrap this thing now.
There we go. Hey, Mama, haven't you seen me?
No.
Where's the... Oh, there's the stokkies.
Maar
You just
dis
gooi it
maar
like
min
this
bietjie
and
bacon.
gooi it like that. and
Min
gooi-
bietjie bacon.
No, I'm going to put
Kan
more
ons
on.
nie heel
Hey,
bietjie hoenderspice
I'm
op
going to
sit
put...
nie?
No.
Ek vra maar net
The
vir
spice
chef.
is inside.
Oh.
This is the whole...
Not inside, it's on top.
This is the whole idea of this.
Hier kom nou nog.
Yeah. We don't skip off.
We cover it.
We cover it.
Because bacon is cheap, you know.
No, it's not.
No, it's
not. Oh, you. I just love you. Bacon is not cheap.
No, it's very expensive.
But
And
we
look
buy
at this.
Look at this. We buy it in the kilograms.
But look at this.
Yeah, but you know everything we make is with bacon. Huh?
What, we are very
We make
piggy.
Yeah, we love bacon. So we just use bacon in everything. And you just gooi it like that. And you
Dis my moes
gooi it like that.
die.
Mama, you brought it. It was supposed to be toothpicks.
I have toothpicks.
But
I thought
you gave me these spears. This is like a spear.
I didn't think it's gonna look like this. I thought it was gonna be a roll thing.
There we go.
Oh my goodness, it looks like a
A rib.
And then, now the tricky part is I need your help now
Oh, shiver.
to lift this all up.
You trust me?
Yeah, just lift it like that.
And then?
From that side. I'm gonna make it easy for you.
Okay, I'll just keep
You
it
just
alive.
lift it like that. Okay? And then I just...
Yeah, that's what you usually do.
Okay,
Tell me to lift it, then he does it himself.
It's okay, you can hold it like that. Okay, sorry. That's just, I'm ADHD.
Doesn't matter.
I'm sorry. There we go. And this is my Hawaiian chicken with bacon.
You know what it looks like? It looks like a router.
A Wi-Fi router.
Wi-Fi
We haven't got Wi-Fi here. Maybe I must just connect this.
Yeah, put it in.
Mama, check your phone. Check your phone.
Yeah, full blast.
Where's the best signal? Oh, we're silly. Stupid. Anyway, on that note, let's have another brandy. Cheers.
In my head, I was invited. I get excited when nobody knows me. In my head, you're on the outside. I'm better when I shine. The crystals inside.
Thank you, my love.
The stars aligned and he told me the best signal is right here.
You're still with the Wi-Fi signal, huh?
Woo!
You just can't get that
Remote
out of
as
your
well.
head. Yeah, I must say these mods, this Montague mods, they're crazy. Mama, this is very odd, but I've got a plan. I've never done it before.
What?
Because we're on a Kegelbraai.
Yeah, oh yeah.
On a Weber. I think let's put this thing on and then I'm gonna put the lid on. So we smoke it.
Okay, you do you.
No, this is not me. This is, I'm working with the tools that I've got. Ooh.
Oh my, sizzle, sizzle.
Sizzle, sizzle, Mama. You know what? I'm so glad I forgot the other two fillets. Because there's no way.
Exactly.
There's no way we're gonna eat this tonight.
No.
Huh? But
Daai
anyway,
varkie dans jy op die kolle.
what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna close this mother. Look at that.
Just check the temperature, right?
What must it be? 180?
Yeah, 180. 180.
That's all I know about the air fryer. It must always be on 180.
Everything.
Cheers, Mama. I love it with you here. Huh? I don't know what's going on in here.
180, where
No,
we
where is
now?
it now? Maybe I must just let some smoke. Ah, there we go. Give it some air.
I don't know about that.
I don't know these things.
Now the temperature is gonna fall.
No. It's
Yeah,
just gonna
chicken.
rise. It's just gonna rise slowly.
Oh, you
Oh.
know this.
What do
I don't like
don't
this.
know.
I don't like air fryers.
Look.
I just like the braai.
Look at that Weber Master Touch. Who's got the Master Touch, me or you? You see the stars, Mama?
Yeah, bright.
Ah, it's so bright.
Very bright.
It is so bright. It's crazy.
Shoo.
Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna open it now. I just don't want to smother this thing.
There's nothing happening.
There's nothing happening.
Put it back on.
Yeah, but the coals isn't red anymore.
Die Wi-Fi torings is besig om te verbrand aan die onderkant.
Look at that. I'm gonna turn this thing around. I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna gooi it from this side now. I want to see what's going on here.
Ooh, flip.
Oh!
Okay, now we're cooking.
Look at that.
Now we're cooking, good looking.
Huh? Weber, you're not too bad. You know what?
Now
I
we've
think-
got signal till in Iran.
Sis, Mama, nee. You want to send the drone there?
Where's your drone?
Or a
Start it
torpedo.
up.
Or a torpedo.
No comment.
No comment. No, we don't talk about the war. Well, while we're on that subject,
Oh my goodness.
you guys know, well, not all of you, the
Oh.
ones that's on our Facebook and on
Yes.
our WhatsApp, we want to take people to Thailand.
A tour group.
A tour group, but only 10 couples.
Yeah.
So we had everything planned for the 2nd of June. And can I say the price?
Yeah, you can say the price.
for 8 nights, 10 days with the flying. So you're gonna we were supposed to leave on the 2nd of June till the 12th of June. They'll be back at home again. So it's 10 days, but 8 nights in a 4-star hotel in
In
Phuket.
Phuket.
In Phuket, it would have been 26,500 rand.
But what's included? It's a 4-star hotel with breakfast included. It's your tickets, flying tickets from Cape Town
To
to
Phuket,
Phuket. Taxis from the
Airport
airport to the hotel.
to the hotel and back.
And back. And your return ticket. And two excursions. The first including tour is a island tour.
It's a full day tour. It's a full day with lunch.
with lunch.
A whole day island
James
hopping.
Bond is included.
Yeah, James Bond and Maya
Yes.
Bay and the whole lot.
And the second excursion is going to be a elephant sanctuary
Yes.
because you're doing good if you go there.
You can bath with the elephants. You can
Yeah,
wash them.
wash
you
them
can...
with mud.
But anyway, we were
And-
going to do that. Wait, we were going to do that from the 2nd of June, and then this freaking war
Wartime.
started
And
happening.
we know people is very afraid of flying.
So yeah, we just
So-
we postponed it. So we're gonna do it next year, either February or March. We're still looking at dates, but we'll let you know February or March next year. It will be a little bit more expensive because it's peak season that time. But the weather is fantastic that time, and
Yeah.
the sea is nice and hot.
oh,
you can just
it's
walk
just
in.
amazing.
Yeah, it's crazy. So
Let us know who's interested.
yeah, so just check our socials. Join us on Facebook and on Instagram and
Yeah.
on TikTok.
And
We're on
don't-
all them.
And don't be afraid, it's not like a Kontiki tour where you have to get up 7 o'clock because
No,
you have
no,
to
no,
be
no.
8 o'clock,
No.
9 It's no
So-
program.
okay, it's good.
If anything,
It's good you mentioning this
Yeah.
now because we're not going to be your tour guide.
No.
We're only booking everything for you.
we are just going to be your socialites. Kuiering saam met you.
Mama, kuiering saam met you.
Yeah.
Oh, the English is going.
We
The
can
English is
take you
going.
on a pub crawl. We know all the spots.
but listen, the idea is not to babysit you. The idea is to book everything for you, so we make it easy for you. We've been there 20 times,
And we
so
go with-
we know all the places and we know how to do it. So we will do all that work for you. And then you just go there and have your
And enjoy
your
it.
own holiday. You're
Yeah.
gonna be there for 8 days. You're gonna have your own holiday. If you want, we can meet in the evenings and
Yes,
drink
we can
together
have
or
nice dinners.
whatever you want.
Pub crawling.
But I am not gonna babysit you.
Beer pong.
Mama, beer pong. We're not good with beer pong.
Ach, doesn't matter.
Let's
They can
play
win.
golf. I can do golf.
Whatever you like. We can go snorkeling, swimming.
That's included with a day
day
excursion
trip,
anyway.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Very nice.
yeah, just go onto our Facebook, check it out. Soon we're gonna start putting
Doing
out
promotions.
doing the promotion for that. It's gonna be February or March next year. Start saving, put in your leave.
Yeah.
Join us.
Experience what we experience.
Oh, it's amazing. Join us. Oh yes, Mama, bring the braaibak, please. Woo! And this thing. Oh yes, this thing is so cooked. Look at that. This looks so nice. Oh my goodness. My love. I need the braaibak, please. Woo! You're gonna have to come and hold it for me, please. This sausage is so gaar now. I actually like a sausage that's not too cooked, but I don't know this Weber. Oof, look at that. Oh my goodness, it's breaking. And look at this thing.
Yes.
I almost want to call it a porcupine. Huh?
Very good.
Yes,
Oh, I
that
see.
thing is just ridiculous.
Hello.
Oh, let's go and eat. It's late. Oh, 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 oh,
Kom maar, dan
oh,
kom maar.
oh, oh, oh. My love, why must we eat when we still want to party?
So get up.
Get
Damn
up.
it.
I just want to feed you, and then we can party on. Huh?
I've got no hunger.
You know, no hunger. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna eat a little bit because we made a lot of.
Effort.
We've put a lot of effort in here. But you know what we're gonna do? We just eat something small, and then tomorrow morning we eat the rest, and then we go back into the hot tub, but we turn the volume up.
Ja.
We gooi het, papi.
Because there's nobody around.
Nobody. And we
Yay.
just gooi it till, I think it's already 11:30. I just, about,
Okay, 3 o'clock.
about 10 minutes back, I watched my phone and it was 11:30.
Okay, let's say 3 o'clock.
What?
No later than that.
What? 3 o'clock?
Yeah,
Tomorrow
it's
morning.
surrendering to the bedroom.
There's another 2 bottles of BC wine, and if that's finished, we open that big one.
Sorry, you guys. There's only 2 left.
We open the big one. Cheers, my love. Thank you.
This is nice
This is nice glasses. Listen to
Oh,
that.
I love
it. Cheers.
Third time
Take a-
lucky, come.
Take a sip. No, that was a bad one.
Klokkelei.
Bashante, mama, Bashante. That's your favorite.
I think that's what made it sound so good.
What?
The
Bashante.
wine. It's not the glasses, it's the wine.
Yeah, but you know what? If there's less wine in, it will be more.
Higher. Okay, let's do less wine. Do
Less wine, less wine.
Less wine.
Not everything. No,
it's flat.
Hold it down there.
Okay,
Hold it down.
okay.
Lower your hand, lower your hand, lower your hand. Mama, lower your hand. Like this. Look at like that. Oh, you understand? Now we do it. You hear?
It's lower.
The symbol is
Okay, another one, then it's gonna be up.
what? In the middle. Let's hold it in the middle. It's a different
deeper
sound. It's a different.
deeper.
Now hold it on top.
No. Same.
It's same.
Drink some more.
Listen.
Drink.
No, stop
No,
it.
Another
Stop
one.
it.
Only another one.
Huh?
Another
Oh
one.
my goodness.
Good, go.
Stop it. You drink that stuff
Stop.
like it's brandy.
Come
Mama.
now the last test. Lower.
Lower.
How low can
how
you
low
go?
can you go? Mama, there's no place on this table, so I'm just going to put it down here. I made us some mash. And this is the nicest mash, Mama.
Smash it, baby.
You know why?
Smash it.
Because look at that. It's made with love. Woo, I'm gonna smash me a whole lekker
I see you've got
spoonful,
some,
2 spoonfuls. Yeah, there's too many
what do you call it?
leaves on this table.
What is
Mama,
this?
take your
Crop sly on your board.
crop slice. Take this off.
Give me that.
I'll give you some,
Just a
just
little.
one bit. I know
Thank
you
you very
don't
much.
eat a lot these days. Okay, so that's the mash. Then we've got, I know this
Coleslaw
is
for
not
you.
for you. Lekker coleslaw with lekker mayonnaise, Mama. Specially made this for me. Lekker. And then I'm gonna cut that thing. And I'm gonna give you half.
No, please.
I'm gonna give you half, my love. I'm gonna give you half.
I'm gonna die.
I am going to give you half.
Oh my word.
Oh my jitte. I know you love this. You like the
Pineapple galore.
look at that.
Oh,
look at that. You
man.
like the pineapple, you. I
Oof.
know.
I love it.
Woo.
Jeez.
Papi. Look at nooit. You want a piece of sausage? This
Yes,
is a nice sausage.
Yes.
This is that one, yeah. And I also want a piece of
Can't you
sausage.
remember?
Okay, Mama, thank you
Can
very
I
much.
tell them which wars this is?
No, don't tell them.
No.
Because
It's
tomorrow they all want to go and buy it.
And then we can't get it.
No, then we can't get it. Listen, I'm gonna. Thank you for all these sauces. I'm gonna take some garlic jalapeno, Mama.
Tell them what is the range you've got here tonight.
Yeah, I don't know why you brought them all.
I want you to tell them about the range.
Oh, this is garlic jalapeno, habanero peach
Yes.
mayo,
Mayo.
and just normal jalapeno mayo.
Everything is
I-
jalapeno.
I love the garlic and I like the normal jalapeno
I
as
know.
well, yeah.
And then you like the whole jalapenos, the cut
Ah,
jalapenos,
stop
the
it.
sticky sauce.
Look at this. I'm gonna take this bottle off because I'm
You
just
need
gonna.
some spice.
I need. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, he's making a gourmet.
And you know what?
Walkie-talkie.
Just for laugh, I'm gonna put on my smash as well. Oh, it's all over. It's all over. I love this stuff. I can drink it. Mama, let's say goodbye. I'm gonna eat like a pig tonight.
It's actually chicken.
It's chick. That's why we're drinking white wine.
It's a wraparound.
Did you see? Did you see? I didn't bring the red one to the table.
Yep.
I know there's no space,
It's
but
chicken.
I did. Yeah, it's chicken. Yeah.
Cheers on that.
Just be careful that I don't wrap you in bacon.
Oh!
You my cheeky.
Oh!
Cheers. We will see you tomorrow morning in Montague with the sun in our eye
At Oudemere.
at Oudemere. It's gonna be
Glamping.
late. I'm not getting up before 9.
And then I'm gonna sit in the bath for an hour.
So we will see you at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Bright and early.
Bye. Good morning, good morning. Sure. What a crazy nice evening we had last night. I must say that Hawaiian chicken of mine. Oh my word, that thing is just, it's amazing. That was so nice. But this morning, just look at this. Such a nice morning. No wind, nothing. The sun's out. How do they say? Sun's out, bun's out. So we have to get up. Mama's still lying. She's fraught this morning. Last night, when we finished eating, we put off all the lights and we went back into the hot tub. Oh, that was so nice. We just lay there for about an hour and a half. The water was almost cold afterwards. The stars are so bright here. I'm telling you, it's the brightest stars we've ever seen. It's crazy. But that was so nice. Yeah, we'll see what today will bring. I'm going to make some coffee now. I need it. I need a regmakertjie.
Ooh.
Hey, mama.
Yo.
Look at my view, huh?
Yee.
Look at my view. This is crazy. I love it. And you know what's nice? You're in the sun. It's so nice, the sun on your skin.
Vitamin D. Early
Vitamin
morning.
D, I'm telling you. I want the outdoor shower. Seriously.
You just got a new bathroom.
I know, but I seriously need the outdoor shower. This is next level. I love it. Yo, what a beautiful day, huh?
Yo.
No wind, nothing.
Lekker.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lucky day. I'm gonna finish showering and then you're gonna bath. And then we do something.
Ja.
We have a breakfast.
Ja.
Good morning, my love. Huh?
Morning.
You look nice and fresh this morning.
Oh, I just wanted to say,
You don't feel so fresh.
I can hardly keep my eyes open.
What did you say last night? Who's sorry now?
Ja.
And I just want to say, this isn't wine we're drinking. It's BC's nice grape juice, white grape juice. It's very,
Very
very
nice.
nice, yeah. So take a sip. Cheers.
Cheers.
On a lekker babbelas.
So if you
Oh,
like
this is nice.
appetizer, you love this
Oh,
one.
this is so nice. This is very, very nice.
Very nice.
My love, and we've got some lekker leftovers of last night.
Ja, die hele bak.
Look at that. You eat like a freaking mouse. Huh? You just nibbled last night. I had mine.
I was so thirsty last night.
I'm so glad I only brought 2 fillets. I didn't bring 4.
Ja, oh my
Because
goodness.
otherwise we had to flip and carry everything back home again.
Yeah, you see.
Yes. But yeah, this is going to be nice now. And I've made myself, look at this. I made myself a dipping sauce.
All the strong stuff.
Yeah, what's in there is mayonnaise, mustard, lekker with the
Sweet
korreltjies
mustard.
in, yeah, sweet mustard, and then this candied jalapeno. Oh, this is so nice. You guys must try this. And then you just spice it. I've just put some lemon pepper on and some aromat. You just spice it the way you like it. And this is, look at that. You get those jalapenos in there, but it's a sweet
goodness.
jalapeno, the candied jalapeno.
Oh, wait.
Mama, you also like it. You had it
take
before.
that.
Oh,
I take this.
Mama.
This is my go-to.
Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. But you did eat this last with a cookie.
Yeah, I just like eat this. For a bit of...
Since she was pregnant with Jean-Marie, even with Tian, yeah.
Before that,
Before that,
As a child.
she always eats this freaking bovril with spoons.
when I need some saltiness in my life,
A spoonful of
this,
bovril.
and then the other thing is aromat.
Oh, lekker. Yeah, and what I'm still going to do is but I thought you're also going to eat some of that. I'm still going to put the jalapeno mayo on there in that sauce. I thought I'm going to just put it in my plate because you also want some.
You can enjoy
Because the
yourself.
jalapeno mayo is quite strong. You're not going to like that.
I've got a nice croissant with some of this and then I'm sorted.
Okay, so we're going to eat now and then Mama, we're going to go for a little walkie.
A little bit of a hike.
We're going not a hike because we didn't bring any freaking.
Oh man, I just wanted to sound good.
Oh,
Yeah.
we didn't bring tackies. So I'm going to walk with my plakkies and you're going to walk with your sandals.
Yeah, I think we're just going to do a roundabout.
Yeah, I
and
just
when
want to
then
go.
we're back.
I want to go down here and up there. I see there's a road that's going up there
Yeah, I said
at
a
the
hike.
back there. Yeah,
You
so
always turn it into a hike.
Yeah.
It's up.
Mama, we're not going to run. We're just going to walk.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Cheers again. Thank you for a great evening.
Yeah, it was nice.
And how was your sleep?
Very nice.
It is so quiet here.
This
huh?
bed
It's nice.
wraps you.
It wraps you, yeah.
Yeah.
You sink into this bed.
Oh, it's nice.
And that duvet is so freaking soft. Oh, it's so nice.
No, this was nice and
But
quiet.
there was no sounds.
and it
Nothing
was
last
pitch
night.
dark in here.
Yeah.
When you have to go to the toilet, you have to
Oh,
put on
your
your
phone,
phone.
yeah.
So nice and dark it's inside.
It's very nice. That was cool.
Yeah.
Mountains, high oceans, blue. Every road leads me to you. Shining stars guide our feet. Love's a rhythm, follow the beat. We're doing it
Right, my love.
together.
You ready?
Hand in hand,
Ready to
across this beautiful
tackle the
hike.
the fynbos and the karoo bossies, huh?
Oh, I just took 2 allergies for maybe
Oh, she's got a little bit of hay fever
of
here.
hay fever.
Yeah,
But I'll survive.
I know you will. I can't get over that we all on our own here, huh? There's just nothing and nobody around us here. I just love it.
Ja, beauty.
I just love it. Ja. Wow, kyk hier so, ons het bokspore gekry. Check out so. Look at this. It's quite a
What
big.
is?
Yeah, it's big, yeah. Yo, look at that. I wonder what
Ja, en dan hou dit op. Waartoe sou hy nou gegaan het?
kind of animal or buck that is. We're gonna check out this wall here. I don't know if there's a dam behind it. It looks like it, I don't know. But our house, there's the house. Right on the other side. Mama, I'm unfit.
Yeah, I feel like going and bathing in the sun.
That's easier than walking uphill, eh?
Yes.
But you know, we must still go back uphill.
I'm very lazy.
Yeah, you're a little bit babbelaars, man.
I don't know what it is, but geez,
I know what it is.
Louise.
I'm telling you, it's a little bit of a babbelaars. Hey, Wayne. Kom, mama, kom.
Ja,
Huh? Yeah, it's a dam. Look at this thick dam wall. Yes, see. But there's not a lot of water in here. Shame. It's bloody dry. But it's actually quite a big dam, you can see. It's quite deep. Oh, here's some water that's running in here. I think they're pumping it from somewhere. Yo, Lizanne, this looks nice. I just want to fall in here. Running water is always, it's like a magnet to me. I just want to get in. We're going to greet you here. I'm going to light the hot tub again. And we're just going to chill today, né? We're not going to go into town.
Yeah, no.
I wanted to go into town to see if we can do something in town, but it's so nice here, it's so beautiful and it's so calm and relaxing. I think we just stay right here.
Yeah, that would be a great idea.
Yeah, we just stay here. We wait till the bowing is over. I've got 2 bottles of white wine in the fridge. So
I'll sit
What time?
quickly Google for a clip where the bowing is going.
a clip,
A video clip.
a video clip.
And then
Oh,
we can just start now.
Mama, you're thirsty again.
Yeah.
No, let's wait until at least 12 o'clock.
What?
Okay.
You need something, I hear you.
I'm just unfit. Let's wait till 12.
Whatever.
But anyway, we're gonna greet you. Don't forget to comment where you've been, at which accommodation you've booked and stayed that we showed you guys. You can comment underneath the video in the YouTube comments or on our Facebook page.
Yeah, and if you like,
Doing it
leave your
together.
number. If you're afraid, we'll contact you at
Yeah, just check your comments.
messengers.
Check your comments regularly, because we might just
Draw your name.
draw your name and send you a message. How's that, my love?
Woo!
I can't talk now anymore. Must I put the 4x4 on?
Yes, please.
We'll see you at the next one. Go well. Remember to subscribe. Please subscribe. Bye.
Bye.